Kymco like 150. Let's go over this bike and see. This is the pearl white with the black fairing here and black headset, black mirrors. Black muffler guard. You got chrome letters here on like 150. Same thing up front with the ABS. Right there. Alright. But let's go over this bike, why it's smooth, why it's got plenty of power. It's a 150. It's got I think it's 13.6 horsepower. Analog double piston brakes right here. Disc brakes in the front. Disc brakes in the rear. Okay. You got 130/70 by 12 tires. LED taillight. Halogen turn signal is going to be front and rear. Comes with the chrome rear rack. Usually this is you have to buy this as an upgrade. It comes with just a standard bar included. The seat's huge. Grocery bag hook right up front, folds back in. Seat pops right off the key. Turn it backwards. There we go. Nice and easy. Batteries under here. It's a 7 ABS battery. Comes with all your instructions, spare key, tool set, no-do, your actual owner's manual there, and your warranty stuff. Nice, right here, nice and easy, but contoured. Your knees sit at a 90, perfect. Nice and easy. Pegs come out. Soft close, don't push them back in. Push them back in, you'll get the same result, just nice and easy. Does not have a Kickstarter because it is fuel injection. Side stand for convenience. Center stand for safety and service. Gas cap. Right here in the floorboard, nice and easy. It is lockable. 2 gallons shut. Nice little push cubby. And there you go. USB outlet, charge your phone, keep your nice belongings. If you have a keychain other than a soft tie like this, it's gonna ding right here and annoy you. So just keep your scooter stop laying your keychain fob on there. Northwest straps, if you're a dealer and you want, just tell them scooter stop. But yeah, this is the pearl white. It's a matte pearl white. You see, that thing's beautiful. It's a great bike. This bike is super smooth. And let's crank it up. Let's just show you how. Turn it on. Look at that dash. We leave a sticker on for the customer. That's theirs. Nice and easy. Quiet. Also, the steering column does lock. Push it in, turn. You can shut it right here. Safety feature. And you got the magnet right there on the end of the key. You push in, turn, and it's open again. Okay. But yeah, on. Fuel pump comes on. There's a kill switch, start button. Yeah, black seat. You want one of these bikes, you know where to come. Scooterstop.com.